In this video, I'm going to share um, a way you can skip recovery information when you're trying to add in your Gmail. How can you skip recovery information when you're trying to actually log in, okay, in your Gmail and you don't want to put that information? Now, I'm on a part of putting my recovery information, my number or my recovery email, and I don't want to put it there. So what I can do is when I reach here, I can just actually open another tab. Then I just enter Gmail. So it will actually open into my Gmail. Okay, by so doing, I can actually skip my recovery. Now, that is the simple way. When you are on this part of recovery information, just open a new tab and open gmail.com. Then you just actually log in. So you can even actually cross this tab if you want. Okay, so that's how you can skip the recovery, then you proceed to your Gmail. Okay, thanks you guys for watching the video. See you in the next video and bye bye. Okay.